大家好，我係李立輝. Hello everyone, my name is Don. So the main things that made me come to the UK initially was, I think, on my mind as well, I did want to like leave Hong Kong to study anyways, because again, like on the topic of independence, I wanted to like really develop that in myself and start like learning to live by myself and things. I think the biggest difference coming here from home was generally the space as well, because Hong Kong, it's a pretty small city as well. Everything's like really congested. And coming here, I mean, it's such an open campus, genuinely, you know. Like it doesn't sound like much, but taking like 10-15 minutes from one side to the other is a big change for me. Even like everything's changed, to be honest. Like even like down to like my lifestyle, like first things first, like cooking. I never really like learned how to cook myself, but coming here away from my family, obviously, you know, I'd have to learn to like live by myself, and obviously and cooking is one of those big things. So I've gotten a lot better at cooking, but aside from that, just generally I've developed a lot of like independence for myself, like everything in terms of like even like time management, just become a lot more like disciplined. I feel like is one of the things that you really learn when you're by yourself in another country when it comes to things like schoolwork as well, and even like work outside of university. Being an esports student definitely has opened a lot more opportunities than if you weren't one. Like particularly at this uni especially, there's always events going on, like not just student hosted, but there's a lot of like external companies and event organizers that also come in, rent out the studio, the arena as well. And that usually gives rise to opportunities for students to come along and work those events. And with that as well, you gain like a lot of different connections. Recently, actually, at the end of this last year, I got to work a Rainbow Six Siege event, which was a tier 2 event, borderlining tier 1 as well, which was really cool for me as someone who's passionate about esports, to be able to actually get to do something hands-on with what I really liked. Well, my next steps going forward, the immediate thing that I've had meetings over the past couple of weeks and months as well was I'd managed to become a part of a production team already in Hong Kong called EasyKGG. And I reached out to them and I was like, hey, I'm about to finish and graduate with a bachelor's in esports in the UK right now. I've developed a lot of production skills and I kind of want to like see if I can join and help them out with the team. And that kind of just like sprouted into like different conversations with their team lead. And eventually they invited me to join, and they were more than happy to welcome me onto their team.